Hi, how are you? It's Ching. Today we're going to do Qigong walking part 2. Last video we talked about Qigong walking backwards. The meaning of the two words Qigong, Qi is mean energy. Where the energy come from? From breathing, oxygen, nutrition, and the exercise. So remember that's all from the yin yang symbol. So now we're going to try to, Gong is mean something you practice, like a homework, like something you like, you practice. So Qigong together is mean the way how you cultivate energy. You can right now through movement, because we're going to talk about movement right now. And besides, Qigong has hard Qigong, soft and hard Qigong, and soft Qigong. Hard Qigong is all cardio, which most people do. I want to give you more choices, so I want to keep teaching you the slower movement. When you do it slow, your mind and body will have to connect together. So it's kind of focus. It's a new way of focus, right? If you're doing so fast, like sometime, everybody have an accident, right? When you have accident, you get, oh, I can't remember what happened, how I fell down, how did it, so you can remember pieces. A lot of exercise too, sports we do is very fast. We never really break down the details. So we're going to try to break everything down and do very slow, so you have time to get the feedback, the biofeedback from your body and the breath and your mind. They all come together. So sometimes we call, meditation through the movement. So it's a wonderful, I can't say enough, and practice, okay? So we're going to give you 2 ways of walking today. They're a little harder, since if you practice walking backward, you can tell how to connect yourself. The first one we're going to do is the foundation of the Qigong walking. We do the Qigong walking with the knee bend all the time, because a lot of time we always, do everything with the horse stance, pivoting, get inhale, immediate rotate lateral, a lot of things. I'm not going to talk about right now. I will show you gradually each class. So let's go back to today's work. So I'm going to starting facing you first, then I'm going to walk sideways. I'm giving you the concepts. Once you practice in a short distance, you start taking a longer, walk around the house. Try to practice by yourself, because people might laugh because it's not all the norm, right? So remember, it's giving you more choices, and this is give you a lot of balance and strengthen quadricep, connect yourself. Okay, so ready? I'm right here. I'm going to slightly squeeze my tush, right? I'm 5 point first, squeeze. So I'm slightly laterally rotate. I'm going to take my hands behind my back, so not to worry about right now. Gradually your hands, everything comes in. 1 step at a time. Okay, I'm bend my knee first. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer my weight to the right leg first. My left foot heel come off. So I'm going to pick it up. So I total energy, right, support on the right leg. I'm going to use my right leg to lower my left heel down. And that heel's in line with the hip socket. My body stay upright. And the inhale, look forever far. Inhale. Here's the balance. Balance. Even more strength in that quadricep. Put your heel down and transfer your weight. So that leg moving become the supporting leg. So that yin-yang constant changing. Become the yang. This is yin because there's no weight on it. And soon as you put down, transfer, become yang. I'm going to do sideways so you can see better. Okay, so here we go. I'm looking forward. And I'm just going to do the leg first, and then next time when I come around, I'm going to add the spine too. So I'm bend my knee first, hands behind, my back upright. So I transfer my weight to my right leg, peel the left foot off. I'm going to use my right leg, lower the heel in front of the hip socket. See, everything slowly articulate. Transfer weight to the left leg, the back heel will come out naturally. Again, so bring in and slowly lower that heel down. You can see the ceiling height same. I'm not going up and down. And transfer weight, the back heel will come up. The weight totally on the right leg. Keep staying now, deepening that bend a little bit below the heel in front of the hip socket. Transfer weight again. And the heel, right? The back leg heel come up. And one more time, lower the heel down, spine tall. Articulate your foot and heel comes up. So we can really appreciate that articulation while you have toes, metatarsal, arch, and heel. Put it all together, slow, okay? Now we're gonna use the breath, the reverse abdominal breathing, moving the spine. Qigong is not easy, but the benefit is tremendous, okay? So I also upload a video talk about breath, right? We got normal abdominal breathing, you have natural breathing, like what I'm doing right now, talking to you, eating, sleeping, those are natural breathing, I don't have to worry about it. Now use the natural breathing, understand better, and normal abdominal breathing, abdominal goes in on the exhale, not the inhale. And then you have relaxation breath, do it before you go to bed, or drop well down, you go, relax. And then you have reverse abdominal breathing, your abdominal goes in on the inhale. You cannot change, the oxygen goes to the lung, right? Remember that? Okay. So I'll put my arm on the side a little bit. So you see, I'm going to inhale, tummy goes in, I'm moving, opening the lumbar area to get rid of the tension, peel the foot off. Exhale, I'm going to lower the heel down as I transfer, my back becomes straight, neutral again, slightly extend. Again, inhale, I'm going to use my tummy to bring my back leg to the front. And exhale, come down. You can see my spine doing really tiny little ripple. Inhale again, use my abdominal. I have to balance first and moving the spine. And exhale, lower the heel down, release the spine. Again, inhale, so create this nice little ripple movement. Exhale, release and return. Keep looking forward. Inhale, spine moving. So use the tummy to bring the knee forward. Exhale, lower down and center. Okay, so that's the very first one with the knee bend the whole time. Here comes the second one. It's all about balance. This one, we're gonna do heel lifting. And so we're gonna change, you said laterally rotate is parallel position. Your arm gonna stay on the side, so you have, every time you're going up, heel lifting, you reach the finger, you're gonna send the energy down, help you rooting with the finger too. Okay, so I do a couple times facing you, then I do sideways. So nice and tall, I'm gonna bend both knees first. And I'm gonna peel one leg up. I'm gonna lower the heel down, transfer weight. So one leg front, one leg back. Then I squeeze the back toe, shift your weight to the front leg. Now I'm gonna push down, the front heel comes up. I feel like a giant, or energy. I'm very tall. I don't look like a giant, but I feel like one. That's more important, right? It's for me. And again, so you're gonna practice for yourself. So you study very deep, right? Here we go. So if, like in life, if you go for an exam, nobody's gonna do the exam for you yourself. Engage your abdominal, reaching down, nice. Push down to come up. Stay here, inhale. Exhale, challenge that balance. Inhale again. On the exhale, I'm going to soften the front knee and lower that heel down. Oh, I'm strengthening that foot. So the back heel's up. And again, inhale. And exhale, center. And squeeze the tush in the back. On the exhale, push down the front. Toes down, so heels up. Stay here, one breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, prepare, keep reaching. And exhale, slowly down. Okay, I'm going to do sideways, adding the spine too. So remember I said we're getting a little bit more advanced each time. So use the reverse abdominal breathing, moving the beautiful spine. Okay, so that you, right, cerebral spinal fluid is so nice and release all the tension of your back. So here we go. I'm nice and tall, bend both my knee, I'm reaching down. My thumb's always pointing forward, middle finger reaching toward the floor. Peel. So inhale, use your abdominal, bring the left leg up, and exhale. I'm going to transfer weight between two legs, okay? Now squeeze your glutes and shift my weight to the front leg. Exhale, push down, the front heel comes up nice and tall. Stay, inhale, and exhale. One more breath, inhale. Exhale, soften the front knee and the heel come down. Strengthen that front foot. The heel stays. Ready? Transfer weight. Use your tummy. Inhale. And exhale, two legs. Inhale, squeeze the back. Now push down the tush. Connect so well, tummy in. Exhale, push down the front heel comes up. Inhale, stay. Exhale, stay. Inhale, exhale, soften the front knee and the heel, strengthen the right foot. One more time, inhale, tummy in. Exhale, heel down, transfer weight to both legs. Squeeze your glutes on inhale, push down. Exhale, continue, push down, adding the front leg. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stay. Exhale, ready, soften the front knee, heel down. We do one more time. Inhale, I'm leading, coming up. Exhale, center. Inhale, squeeze the back tush. Exhale. Inhale, stay. Inside of myself, I feel like a giant. And that's more important. So I get that feedback, the biofeedback from what I'm doing with the breath, the walking, the balance, total focus. This is amazing meditation because you really get something tangible back by strengthening your body, your mind, everything. And the confidence comes in. So that's why I love Qigong so much, and I developed several different movements too coming together. It's all in my book, One Body, One Life, Within Your Control. So that's it for today, and hope you enjoy what we're teaching today. It's not easy. Keep practice. Take good care. See you next week.